Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Vibe. Here I am going to make a chocolate cake with Nutella filling. It is also an easy chocolate ganache recipe. These are the ingredients for preparing chocolate cake. Take a bowl and add 4 egg white. Beat it until it becomes stiff. Next, beat egg yolk and add 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Next, add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar into it after beating for some time. Continue this process till you add all the sugar. Into this bowl, add 1 tablespoon of beaten egg white and mix it by cut and fold method. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dry ingredients, that is flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and corn flour. Mix it by cut and fold method again. Continue this process until it completes. Pour this batter into the cake tin and bake it for 30 minutes. Cut the cake into 3 slices. Now we can make chocolate ganache. Double boil 1 cup chocolate with 1 cup fresh cream. You can also make this chocolate ganache at overnight. Next, we can make Nutella filling with 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon butter and 2 tablespoons Nutella and beat it. Place first layer of cake. And add Nutella syrup. Next, spread chocolate ganache and Nutella filling. Repeat the process. cover the cake with chocolate ganache. Decorate with some dark chocolate, chopped nuts and strawberry. This is very yummy chocolate cake recipe. So that's for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in next video. Thank you.